guys, welcome back. In this part of the video, we've come to the park to pick up some foliage and some leaves for our autumnal themed tablescape and DIY. So Oakley's here with me.
Hello.
Oakley wants to say hello. Say hello, Oakley.
Hi, Oakley.
Say hello, everyone.
Hello. Hello.
Whoa! We're on a hill, so I have to hold him. He's on his scuttlebutt. Okay. Put them inside the bag. Oops! Everything's blown away. It's so windy up here. Oakley's just seen a tractor all the way. I don't know if his camera is going to pick it up.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
Well, that's a bit high, Oakley.
Just wanna love you.
Okay, go down the slide now. Just sit down, that's it, big boy. You gonna go on your belly? Ooh.
I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world.
Wow, that's a nice one, isn't it? Good boy.
You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
Steady.
You set my world on
Oh, he's waiting for her.
I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
So you've got these beautiful red colour leaves, you've got some berries. You know, it's so beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. He's trying to pick something there. Are you, Oaks?
Yes.
Jump! Jump! Oh! Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you're all well and having a great day. As you can see, we're in the park, and the reason why we come to the park today, what we're going to be doing, Oakley?
But
But we're actually going to be doing some foraging, picking some leaves and some, you know, like some foliage. I didn't really want to go to the shops and buy anything, you know, like all those faux leaves and stuff, where we got all this beautiful naturalness that's going to be falling soon. So we thought, why not pick some? Look how beautiful it is. And use it at home for some home decor. So you got it? Okay, you got it?
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
Wow, I'm gonna get up close.
My life was great till you added colors.
Lovely, thank you.
Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
Oakley has just spotted a tractor. Whoa, and look in there, look what's in there, there's more. Look inside the gate. You can see it? Come. Look. Look in there.
You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others.
Okay, so this is our little pumpkin patch. I'm now going to see if I can find any pumpkins. And just under here, there's one hiding there. Oh, look, there's so many. There's another one there. Yeah, you suddenly find them. They suddenly start appearing. And we go, there's another one hiding under there. Yeah. In there.
My world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
I mean, look at these gorgeous berries. So autumnal. Okay, so we managed to get some lovely foliage. Oh, careful, Oakley! So I managed to get some beautiful foliage for our decor at home. I can't wait to get home and start decorating with all these lovely bits. So see you back at home.
Back home. Bye bye.
Okay, so we're back home now, and these are what we picked up in the park. Really lovely colours.